Hi guys, it's me Rai Scratch Coding Ones. So today I'm gonna teach you types of animation that you can make in Scratch. First is a walking animation. So I had just selected a beer and a backdrop. You can just select something that is walking like a unicorn or something. So if I go to events and click the when green flag, click forever motions move 10 steps, next costume, and 1 minute 1 second. Look, we have our first animation here. Oh, it's really slow, so let's change this to 0.9. Oh, mister, I don't want you to go anywhere. Okay, if you want to fix this problem, you have to go to this. Go to X by about your position. So let's go. Let's test it out. The animation has been ready, so let's test it out. Look! Look, it's walking! The bear is walking! How easy these animations are. And and next, and next will be the animations of another script. Yeah, something. Okay, now I have to select yay for instead. Where is it? Doesn't do say anything. Now we want an animation. Yes, we got this. And if you wanted to make it larger, just go like this. Oh, wait, go. And select this and make this to 165 multiplied by 163. Okay, and I have to borrow this to the center. And let's do it. Rest it for the. Or you could just select your own size. Okay, now let's get this to coding. So let's do this and give to next costume. Wait for 1 second. Next costume. Or you could do it in your anyway game. Or minion. So if you want to make like this when this get clicked, and if you want this, look, it's moving. But we don't want this. Just don't miss just delete the script, so it doesn't need. When I click the mouse, it changes the color. Click, 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 click. Okay. Now we have two two different types of animations, and the next animation is going to be a sky animation. Yeah, a bird flying in the sky animation. So that is easy because we done that code for beer walking. It looks like it's walking. Yeah, powerful polar bears. Cute. Where did they on this? We are not looking for them. We are looking for a bird, like a parrot. My favorite bird is the parrot. Search. Why the search engine is not working? Oh, bird. Why is that working? I don't know why it's not working. Hmm. It is parrot. Come to my eyes because everyone is waiting for you. Nothing. Nobody is a bird. Okay, let's search from here. Where is no bird? I'm just taking. What? Why is this hippo flying? I don't. Is this a small life? I don't. Where could I take? Bird? I can't just search there. Okay, I'm just checking this hippo one because this is a race shot. Because I'm getting waste of time. Okay, it's this. I see it can go like this. So I have to pick a sky thingy. Yeah, this is great. Now follow my steps. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Where's that? I'm just making fun, guys. Come on. Okay, now our animation is finished right now. Slow as a fly. Slow as a fly. Now, these are the four types of animations you can do in Scratch. Now, another animation I think is Taki animation. I don't know, but let's do it. First, take your file and give new. And where's that? Message now. Well, we need two characters. I'll just pick B. Okay, where is that? Okay, just D and scratch cat. Where is this? Why is not facing this direction? Because why I can't do like that? Um, minus 90. Uh, oh my goodness, what happened? What is happening to my scratches? No man, if you want to flip, you can flip here. Because I can't do because I don't know why is my scratch broken or something. And they will say hello. Hello. Oh, and hello, Scratch Cat. Oh my goodness. I can't just. What the heck? No, something. There might be a glitch or something. We don't want to hear that. Okay, now I have to send a broadcast to Scratch Cat. I receive a message and say hello. Okay, now it's finished, guys. Yeah, we could make animations like this. So if you want more animations, click the subscribe button and click the bell button, and it's free and it's head out.